Introducing Unlimitedville. With a setup that takes only seconds, your home network will transform to a blazing fast, low-latency home network for all of your connected devices. After placing the order on Unlimitedville.com, our team will pre-configure and test your device prior to shipping. When your device arrives at your home or business, simply open the box. Review the included insert cards. Pull out the device, antennas and power supply. Screw on the antennas marked LTE to the screw ports also marked LTE on the device. Then screw on the antennas marked Wi-Fi to the screw ports also marked Wi-Fi on the device. Finally, find a location near a window or exterior wall and connect the device to the included power supply. And that's it. The device will now automatically connect to a cell tower nearby. Your home will truly be changed with Unlimitedville.